stand on the X. We're on the record in cause number 325884, the state of Texas versus Brent Edward Sterling. Mr. Sterling, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Sterling, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
I do.
You may put your hand down, Mr. Sterling. How are you doing, Mr. Sterling?
All right.
That's good, Mr. Sterling. The information states that on or about July 12th of 2019, while you're in Jefferson County, Texas, you were charged with the Class A misdemeanor offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon while engaging in criminal activity. Mr. Sterling, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to discharge Mr. Sterling, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sterling, I have before me, hold on a minute. Okay, Mr. Sterling, I have before me what has been marked as State's Exhibit Number 1. It's the misdemeanor plea admonishment. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of the same document, Mr. Sterling, are these your initials down here?
Yes, sir.
And on the next page of the same document, on page 3, is this your signature above the line that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document, this document is titled the trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal. Is this your signature on the line
Yes, sir.
that says defendant? There's one box that's checked off here. This box states that this is a plea bargain case and you do not have a right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
I also have before me a document that is titled the discovery certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on this
Yes,
document?
sir.
Now, prior to signing and initialing these documents, did your attorney, Mr. Matuska, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibits Number 1 and 2. State, you like to offer State's Exhibits 1 and 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
Okay, no objections. State's Exhibits Number 1 and 2 will be admitted. Mr. Matuska, you have advised and counseled Mr. Sterling. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Sterling, your attorney, Mr. Matuska, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sterling, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea of no contest and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
What
And
is that
it's
agreement?
1 year in the county jail, probated over 18 months, a $500 fine, plus court costs, 80 hours community service. In that case, is to run concurrent with cause number 19-33644.
Okay. Mr. Sterling,
Yes, sir.
the state is offering that you serve 1 year in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to serve any time in jail because you'll be given probation of 18 months. Now, your fine is $500 plus the court costs in this case, and the court costs comes to a total of $307. So the fine plus court costs equals $807. You'll also be required to pay probation fees of $60, and you may be required, when you'll be required to pay a urinalysis fee of $15 each month, and court attorney fees of $250. Now, all of that comes to a total per month of $140. Would you be able to pay the monthly installments of $140 per month?
Is that with?
As everything together and is divided by the number of months that I guess that you're on probation. So you'll be paying your monthly fee for the fine fees cost is $140 per month.
Yeah,
You sure you can pay it?
yeah, I can do my best.
Okay, that's my question.
Okay.
Or will you be able to pay it?
Yes, sir.
You sure you can pay it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, now you'll also be required to perform 80 hours of community service, all right, during the probationary period. And this case will run concurrent with cause number 19-33644. Let me ask you something. Is that a probation case as well
Yes, Your Honor, and it's out of drug impact court, I believe, correct?
in this county?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because I think you would only have to pay one probation fee, right?
Yes, Your Honor, I was gonna bring that up so that his.
Oh, so
probation-
you're gonna have to, he's already on probation. Well, he's already on probation, so I think the probation fee changes, right? I don't think they would have the requirement.
When the probation office, gets the case, they'll adjust it like it's supposed to be.
Okay.
They'll only have it on a felony case.
Okay, so it's gonna be adjusted, and so the 140, they'll make the necessary adjustments. All right?
Yes.
All right. Now, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes,
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
yes,
And do you accept the state's offer?
yes, sir.
I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, I said it was a 1 year probated over 18 months. In the judgment they have, it's 365 days, which is a year. So it'd be 365 days probated over 18 months. All right? Stand over here on the X where your attorney is standing, and you're gonna follow the instructions of the court clerk. And Mr. Sterling, have a good day.
Okay, thank you.